Hey y'all, it's Mama. I'm going to make a squash casserole. Follow along with me if you wish. In my bowl I have about 2 cups, maybe a little over, of sliced squash and 1/4 cup of diced onion. In my skillet I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to add the squash and the onion into that, and I'm going to cook these until they're tender. And now I'm going to transfer the squash and the onions into a bowl. If you need to drain them because you don't want no liquid on it. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, pepper, salt, now we'll give this a little stir. Now you want to do 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers along with some butter. And we're going to add about half of these into the casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 and prepare a 8x8 baking dish. I cut my recipe in half, so this, if you want a number 13, just double the ingredients. Now I'm going to pour this into a buttered 8x8 dish. Scatter the rest of the cracker crumbs on it. And we're going to bake this for about 25 minutes on 350. And now I just pulled it out of the oven. It done beautiful. I really like this recipe because you don't have to add the cream soups, the sour cream and all that. I just like a few simple things in mine. Delicious. Y'all have a good night and thanks for watching.